Welcome to Odori Park.
I'm swimming in everything you said. I'm thinking about jumping in it instead.
Dito nagiging real life ang Winter Wonderland dito sa Sapporo.
I got you skinny dipping deep inside my head.
Dito ginaganap ang Sapporo Snow Festival every year.
Make it so easy to fall in love.
Giant snow sculptures
So come give me a call
na sobrang detalyado.
and we'll fall into love.
Parang nasa movie set ka, pero gawa sa snow. Castle, characters, giant artworks, snow lang ang gamit. Like, paano nila ginawa to?
I'm a perfect mix of Saturday night and
Kapag gabi, iba yung level dito. Pero hindi na tayo makakapunta mamayang gabi dahil meron pa tayong ibang pupuntahan dito sa Hokkaido. Dito mo talaga mararamdaman ang saya ng Sapporo Winter. Hindi lang siya festival, experience siya.
Making raindrops, tick-tock, non-stop. All the strings of my heart again. Losing sleep 'cause I see you in my dreams. I don't wanna, someone get me over it. Losing sleep 'cause I see you in my dreams. I don't wanna, someone get me over it.
Isa ito sa highlights ng winter sa Japan. Gusto mo bang makita ang full snow experience dito sa Sapporo? Subscribe nyo na ako sa YouTube channel ko, Ayumi sa Japan. At kung magpapalan ka ng trip, mag-book ka na via Agoda at use my Agoda code, Ayumi, for accommodation at Ayumi Agoda naman for activities. Mas madali, mas tipid, mas chill ang winter trip. This is Ayumi J, sharing insights and stories. Let's explore more about Japan together.
Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is